Hello, welcome to my channel, my big channel. I'm joking. My camera is literally about to die, so I need to film this really quickly. I'm not going to ramble on too much. Basically, I'm starting this new trend because I'm pretty sure no one else has done it on YouTube, where I recreate my first ever cut crease. And this was me 3 years ago. It's not great. I have foundation lips, my brows are really big and really bad and bushy, and everything is wrong with it. The black liner isn't too bad, but the rest of it is pretty bad. It was 3 years ago though, and it was when I was first sort of getting into makeup. Okay, so I'm now going to do this eyebrow. I did this off camera, so I know what I was doing, but I'll do this one obviously on camera. I don't even remember what I was using back then. I think in that photo I was using the Benefit gel. It was like a gel, it was like in a pot. Browsings, Benefit Browsings. I think it was that, and it was the really old packaging. I remember I had that for years actually. I probably still have it somewhere. Actually no, I think I threw it out. I had it for years. Okay, I think that's pretty much the brows done. They always look really bad before I use concealer and carve them out. I think back then I did carve out my brows. No, I don't think I did actually. The funny thing is about that photo is that I absolutely loved how that looked back then, and I thought it was like the best thing ever. That's why I kept the photo for so long, like Okay, so I'm going to be using my James Charles palette, which is really funny because didn't Tati just like end his career yesterday? If anyone hasn't seen that video, you have to watch it. Tati Westbrook like taught James Charles for like 43. It's the best 43 minutes of my life. Anyway, I'm going to use this palette because regardless of it being James Charles's, it is a really good eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to use the orange. Does anyone care what I use? Because I'm just going to be using all the neutral shades in here, like this one and then these three. Kind of what I use for like a natural look, even though this isn't natural. Anyway, I'm gonna go in that orange shade because it kind of like pops right at the top. It definitely does fade out, but it's just like a nice shade to start with. I'm gonna put that really high up on the crease. I promise once I move into any flat next month, I'll have like a permanent setup, but for the moment I just gotta go with it. Okay, so now that that's colours down, I'm gonna go with a darker colour, and what I do is I kind of like create like a line and then blend above, so it gives you that kind of line. So you do a cut crease, it's kind of easy to follow. It doesn't really make sense, but when I do it you'll kind of see. Honestly, my uni room is just packed with stuff. It's really cramped in here now because I'm moving next month, and I have loads of stuff from my old house that I've got with me ready to move. And it's a bit of a stressful time because I've got loads of stuff to hand in for next week, then I've got exams, then I've got to make my way down to London for a weekend, and then after that I've got to move out this place. I've got to look for a flat, put a deposit down, move into a flat, and then get a job and then earn money for that flat. And that's all got to happen in the next like 5 weeks. So I'm stressed, but I'm also really trying to not be stressed. Okay, I'm going to go in with like an even darker colour and a tiny bit of black on that same brush, and I'm just blending up. And I am going to be filming that. I'm going to have at least 2 videos on like flat hunting and like moving and stuff. So yes, they're definitely going to be 2 videos that I am going to do within the next month. Okay, so now that's blended nicely, I'm going to take a smaller, more detailed brush. If anyone cares, it's the Morphe N506. I literally never tell you what brushes I'm using, but this one is a really nice brush for like black eyeshadow. I only use this eyeshadow for black. So really finely like up here. And you want to take your time with this because black eyeshadow does not blend as well as other shadows do just because it's darker. Out even more, I'm going to use the brush I was using a minute ago. and I'm just going to go over that with a tiny bit of lighter shadow just to help blend it out. The best black eyeshadow I've ever tried is by Too Faced. For some reason they just have the best black eyeshadow, even better than Jeffree Star's. And I think everyone is just waiting for Jeffree to comment on the whole James Charles drama thing. Okay, after I do my cut crease I'll go with more eyeshadow anyway, but for now we're going to start doing the crease, which is the worst part because it requires so much concentration. And I don't know, I used to love doing cut creases, and then now I'm just like CPA to do them. Okay, so I'm going to grab a generous bit of concealer. I'm not using Jeffree Star's because you don't need like a good concealer for this, so I'm just going to use the Revolution one. And you want to go really slow and just follow your natural line, your natural like eye crease line. I don't really know how to explain it. You just kind of, with cut creases you just gotta learn and just do it over and over again. Yeah, there's nothing really I can say. Everyone's eye is different. Okay, so I'm now going to put the glitter on. These cut creases are uneven, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of in a rush and I don't have the time to like spend like 45 minutes on one eye to get them even, so I apologise. This video is like how much I've improved in the last 3 years, but like I don't care about symmetry right now. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. It's very glittery, very messy, but I'm now going to put on a wing and some lashes. The wing in the photo, do you know what? It's not a bad wing. It's just a bit boring. It's a bit small. And it's alright. It's not a bad wing. I think probably the best thing in that picture is the wing. We're not even going to talk about the foundation lips or the brows anymore, but the wing isn't actually too bad. I kind of forgot, and I've done it like off camera. I kind of messed up a bit, but we'll clean it up, it's fine. It's really hard to do a liner over glitter. Okay, so I'm back. I put lashes on and I did liner as well. So that's the eyes all done, that's sort of most of it. I wouldn't usually wear this anymore, to be honest. I used to love like gold and brown like eyeshadows and cut creases, but I don't know, now I'm older, I kind of like prefer more colourful looks, more creative looks rather than like golds. But anyway, let's move on to the face. Now in the picture, I don't really have a lot going on my face. It's just a very orange face and not much else. So I thought it'd be funny to do like an orangey sort of foundation again, but sort of do it in the right way to make it look a bit nicer, if that makes sense. So instead of using my Essie powder, I'm going to use my Revolution foundation. This is kind of orange, but I wanted it to look somewhat like the photo, and I don't know, I thought it'd be fun to take an orangey sort of eyeshadow, orangey sort of foundation, but try and make it look as good as possible. It's not that bad. It still kind of suits my skin, but it just obviously is kind of like the wrong shade. I'm just going to go in with this No Problem primer, and I'm just going to do this quickly because I've been filming for a while, and I will do some work after this, 100%. Even though now I could be like, oh, I could do work, but I need to film that video I just did. Oh well. I know I'll get the work finished on time. I'll just leave it to like the very last, like it's already the last minute, but I'll leave it to like the last minute. Oh no, my battery is about to die. I am really mad at that. Okay, so that is my base all done. I'm going to do concealer. In the photo I used very, I don't even know if I used concealer in the photo. I think I went through a stage of not even wearing concealer, so I won't be surprised if I don't have any on, but today I'm definitely going to put some on. I don't even know how I managed to not have concealer on. Like, I really don't. Okay, setting that in place quickly with the powder I've been using pretty much the whole time. I'm not using the Jeffree powder because I just don't have time to put it on because I'm trying to do this before my battery runs out. Like, I can't be bothered to buy sensible things, but I just spent like £130 on like 2 tickets. I bought tickets to go see Lewis Capaldi next March, and then I bought tickets for the summertime ball that's in like 4 weeks time. Oh, and then I bought Lewis Capaldi like signed album cover and like his glasses. I don't know why, it was like 2 in the morning and I just felt like buying it. Okay, maybe I'll finish this video, probably won't. Okay, quickly. Maybe like more orange, but it's all I can find right now, and I'm just gonna do this quickly. I don't even know if I was using, I think I was wearing a highlighter in the picture. So I'm going to quickly put on some highlighter. Okay, last thing, I'm going to do lips. I didn't have any lipstick on in the picture, which really annoyed me. So I'm just going to wear lip gloss. No, that's way too much. I'm going to wear Stripped by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a really light lip colour. It's kind of, this is kind of foundation lips, but like obviously it's lipstick and it is just, I can just about get away with it. Okay, so I think we're done. I'm just going to go in and quickly do my brows. To be honest with this heavy eyeshadow, you don't really need a lot of face products on anyway. So that is the end of today's video. That was me transforming myself and also recreating my first ever cut crease. I got lipstick on you. Okay guys, that was today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to see me flat hunting and going to view loads and loads of flats, make sure you subscribe to my channel because those videos will be coming up very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.